Hey, welcome back to WhatKarenLoves, and it's really weird because this is not Friday at all. Today is Wednesday, matter of fact. But seeing as I'm already decked out in this weird green festive color, I figured that I would go ahead and film this video for you guys, because why not, to give you a little bit of time to edit and make sure there's no issues for you guys and all that. Like last week, as you guys know, there was a lot of issues with the What Karen Loves video. It took me many days to get it up, and let's hope for the best this week. And I'm sorry if I'm tugging at my nose. I think there's something going on inside, and hopefully it goes away. Anyways, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and go check out all the stuff down below. There should be a new blog, hopefully. I'm thinking about doing a summer must-have blog, so go check that out down below. And anyways, today we're gonna do an unboxing, and as you guys know, I am subscribed to the must-have subscription, and it is a banged up. But it is my favorite one, and it's cheap, and I don't really have any, expensive subscription boxes that I'm subscribed with. This is my only one that I'm subscribed with, really, to be honest, personally. I mean, I'm affiliated with Fun, and I love them unconditionally. But this is the only one that comes to me personally, and I love them, and I love Walmart, and I go to Walmart a lot. And according to my account, this is the spring box, so let's get into it, shall we? Honestly, I do go to Walmart a lot. This is where I do mostly my shopping, where I do my skincare, mostly, majority, unless it's like Target, mostly. Just depends, you know, where I'm at. But anyways, let's get into it, see what we got, shall we? See if there's anything good. Hopefully nothing I'm allergic to, because you never know what you're gonna get. Literally, you never know. So, jeez, you never know what you're gonna get. So I'm hoping that it's something good, something, new, something that I can try. Literally, my nose is driving me nuts, and it's like one of those, like, itches. You want to itch, but you can't itch. It's like you have poison ivy. You know you can't itch it, but you want to itch it. Your mom is watching you somewhere. You want to itch it so bad, but you're gonna get in trouble for it too. Okay, all right. So we got a little cute card. It says "Pearly Pretty." Cute, cute, cute. Ooh. Okay. This box smells really weird. Ooh. I haven't even tried the other one. Has anyone else tried these yet? I don't know. I'm just really weird when it comes to my hair. I haven't tried them yet, but am I the only one? I don't know. I haven't tried them. I'm so sorry. I haven't tried them. I mean, I'm not a Pantene person. Maybe, I don't know, but I haven't tried them. Here's this one. It says Pantene Intense Rescue Shots. I think the other one was split ends or something. I don't even know, honestly, to be honest. And this one is Hello 14 Free Whitening Toothpaste, and this one I'm not even going to use, because the last one, the black one, it really irritated my teeth really bad. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but I really like the pink one. I like the pink one, and I love the other one I have right now. But this one really wasn't my favorite, so maybe we'll see what we'll do with it. Okay. Alright, let's see. This one is, if I can just see. At least. Don't end with one brow. I cannot pronounce that. Jeez. Let's see. Draw in with my eyebrows are not even, I would not even be able to do this. It would literally be in all one place. Look at that. It's cool though. It's so cool. I mean, mine are like so light. I can see how it would probably be effective, probably. I don't know. Does it even say the color? Doesn't say the color. Does it say the color on here? I can't even see it. Looks like brown, maybe. Yeah, dark brown. Maybe. Anyway, we'll see. Alright. Oh yes, please. You guys know I love hair products. This definitely, I love dry shampoo. This is definitely my must. Love that. See that? I love. Love that stuff. Okay. I'm not sure how I feel about this though. What is this? It says Pearly Inspired Carging Peptides. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that stuff. Not sure. Grass feed and even though it says gluten free, dairy free, no sugar added, non-GMO, keto classic. Anyways, it's this. I don't know. Do you really even know what you're putting in your body? I don't even know. It's weird. I mean, we'll see, I guess. Ooh. Yes. Another mask. Love me some mask. Love it. Yes, please. I mean, I'm not too shabby about these because I got a couple of repeats. I already have this one. This one's kind of a copy of like the Pantene other one. Like a she shot. The other one, I think it's the same one. I don't even know. Anyways. So these two I'm not even care about. But I'm excited about this one. Love this. Don't even know what this is, honestly. I don't like liner, and I don't like anything to do with this right here. I like it in my eyebrow wax, but I don't like doing anything, putting it in my, no. I tried to do fillers one time, and like it was so bad. It stained my eyebrows really bad. So I don't really care for these things, but it's cool. I get it, but for me, I don't really know. But this is cool. I like this because you guys know I love that type of stuff for my hair, because you guys know my hair is all. But this is weird. I don't know. I mean, I like vitamins and stuff in my smoothies and all that type of stuff and that type of stuff when I get my smoothies at like Wawa. But I don't really know what this is because I never heard of it. Do they have a card? They have a card for Hello to Farm. My goodness. Let's see. No, just for Hello. Don't see nothing for this. I wish they put something in here for this to know more information for this, you know, because it's kind of good. What is this? Like, I get that it's like for smoothies. It's a protein. You put it in your smoothie. I get it. But you should probably put more information for, you know, like, you know, what is this? What, you know what I mean? More information, because like more ingredients, because you don't know. Even if it says dairy free, you know, what you know, even if it has the supplement facts, all this type of stuff, you never really know. I mean, it could at least did like this did. You know what I mean? You know, more information. See, this is what I was talking about. See, this is the one I have right now. Which is this one right here. I had this one last time. I had the black one last time. I hated the black one. The black one was not my favorite. I had the white one. Currently I have this one right now. This one is my favorite right now. Love that one. My teeth is really sensitive, obviously. But anyways, I really did like it though. I have some hits and some duds, but you know, what can you expect? It is Walmart. It's only like $5, so you know, it's pretty cool though. So you know, it's all right. I do like the ski bag though. It's cute. Anyways, that's all I have, guys, today for Walmart unboxing spring edition. You know, it's it's almost November. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe and check out the blog down below, and don't forget to check out the latest video. Hopefully the end card will be in this video this time, and check out the I for the Ming channel, and of course check out my Oh Mama. The new podcast should be this Sunday. Isn't that cool? And check out the latest one, should be in the thing down there. So anyways, I'll see you guys soon, and until then, hope you guys have a great day. XOXO, that's all. Bye. Oh, subscribe to Walmart beauty box down below in Chicago. Not affiliate at all, but go get it if you want. It's cheap, you know. Always like, you know, shouting out people when it's cheap and you could afford it, and you get all these goodies that you can try out that you haven't heard about. You know what I mean? Anyways, see you soon. Bye.